This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal, financial, health, or medical advice. How to do route optimization in Excel. Subscribe to our channel for more NEMT content. Route optimization is a simple way for transport businesses to cut fuel costs and maximize profit. When you plan all routes, you save a lot of time for your drivers and make the most of their time on the road. Route optimization in Excel will help you organize all data that can be processed using a tool that provides a solution to a problem. However, we recommend using specialized software like RouteGenie if you want to get the most from your fleet and grow your business while the software automates your process. What is route optimization? Route optimization is the process of planning the fastest and most cost-efficient way for a field service to get from one point to another. It's all about efficiency. The routes are planned so the transportation service will spend less time on the road. The best route is the fastest and shortest way to the destination. Route optimization also means drivers and passengers are much less likely to get stuck in traffic. It ensures that patients arrive at their appointments on time. What services benefit from route optimization? Delivery services, non-emergency medical transportation (NEMT), installation, inspection, and maintenance services, logistics, retail and distribution, field sales, pest control. Why route optimization is crucial for business. There are several benefits to route optimization. Reduce fuel costs by mapping the best and most efficient routes for fleets. Increase revenue by reducing operating costs. Improve trip scheduling, match the trip with the right driver, and minimize unnecessary time on the road. Improve safety by minimizing the need for complex maneuvering. Remember that according to the latest traffic accident statistics, 61% are left-hand turns. Monitor trips in real time. Avoid traffic accidents and road closures. Replan quickly. Scale fleet. Reduce billing errors. Improve customer satisfaction. Understanding the basics of route optimization in Excel, a step-by-step guide. Now that you know how beneficial route optimization is to your business, the next step is to learn how to do route optimization in Excel. The Excel sheet will serve as your base, where you input all the information you'll feed into the software. Here are the basic steps. 1. Create a spreadsheet file with 2 columns, name and address. 2. Input all your client's business or full names under the name column and their corresponding addresses under address. Each address must include complete details, street number, street name, city, state, country, and zip or postal code. You can also split the addresses into 4 columns: street address, city, state, and postal code. 3. Sort your list into smaller batches, either by city or postal code. 4. Freeze the name row by clicking View, Freeze, 1 row. Then select your postal code column, then click Data, Sort Sheet by A to Z. The column will be sorted according to each passenger's postal code. 5. The information will allow you to assign drivers to passengers within the same postal code for optimization. How to optimize route in Google Maps. When it comes to route optimization, Google Maps can help you plan multiple stops to maximize driver productivity. Simply upload your route optimization in Excel to Google Maps Route Planner. To export your Excel file, save it as a CSV and do the following. 1. Upload the CSV file to http://mymaps.google.com/. 2. Click the red Create a New Map button. 3. Name the file or map. 4. Click the Import button on the top left corner of the page. 5. You can drag and drop your CSV file into the box or select the CSV file from your files. 6. Google will ask you to choose columns to position your place marks. Just check the corresponding box. In this case, click on Address or the corresponding column if you separate the addresses. 7. Google will ask you to choose a column to title your markers. Click on Customer Name and other columns that will apply. You can also include driver notes for additional instructions. 8. Plot stops on Google Maps and click the Finish button when all addresses have been marked. 9. Map your transport routes. Want to learn more about how to use Google Maps Route Planner? Check out our video below in the description. Common mistakes to avoid when optimizing routes in Excel. Excel has been making people's lives easier for years. It's a handy tool for organizing data. When you use it for route optimization, be careful with the following. Human error. Data entry for Excel route optimization has the potential for errors. Simple typos could spell trouble for efficient and accurate route planning. Driver dependence. This method depends heavily on the driver to navigate to the given address. They may take routes where traffic is heavy or one that has a lot of complicated turns. Eyeballing schedules. When creating a schedule, you will depend on your estimation of how long a trip will take. There's a lot of scope for error, and it may not maximize your fleet. NEMT software to avoid errors. Scheduling, routing, and dispatching are more efficient with an all-in-one NEMT software like RouteGenie. It can reduce or eliminate errors, and if there are mistakes, they could easily be corrected. Scheduling NEMT trips can be done within minutes, and if there are last-minute changes with drivers, you can easily edit the schedules. A single driver change could affect a whole day or week's schedule, which could take hours to compensate for when managed manually. RouteGenie handles real-time changes, such as driver absences, add-on trips, and cancellations within minutes. Data analysis and visualization for route optimization. Errors in Excel route optimization can be avoided with robust route optimization software. It can analyze data and provide route visualization to improve scheduling and maximize your fleet. Drivers will have better guidance on what roads to take because of the efficient routing and dispatching service. For your all-in-one NEMT software needs, RouteGenie is designed to improve scheduling, billing, routing, and dispatching processes. If you like great NEMT video content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have more great videos like this one ready for your enjoyment.